A linear equation in two variables is an equation whose graph is a line. Any point on the line is a solution to that equation. So for example, the graph of the solutions to the equation y equals 1/3 x minus 2 are shown in the graph below. For another example, the table and graph here both represent solutions to the linear equation y equals x plus 1. For instance, if we let x equal to -1 and plug it into there, I'll have y is equal to -1 plus 1, which is 0. And that's what we put in the other point. That's what we get for the y coordinate. So we have this point where x is -1, y is 0. And we take that ordered pair and plot it in the graph. And then the next line, we let, say, x equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, so we have the point 0, 1, and we plot that. If x is 2, y would be 2 plus 1, or 3. And so we plot the point 2, 3, connect the dots, and you have a line. So let's try this. Let's sketch the graph of y equals -2x plus 1. And the way to do that is you go ahead and choose something for x. It could be whatever. So say like x equals 0. And then we go into the equation we have at the top there, that y is equal to -2 times x plus 1. So -2 times 0 plus 1 is going to be 0 plus 1, or 1. So that's going to be the ordered pair 0, 1. And that would be right here. If I let x equal to 1, then -2 times 1 plus 1 would be -1. And so if I go where x is 1 and y is -1, would be right here. I try a third point. Let's say x is 3. Then -2 times 3 plus 1 would be -6 plus 1, which is -5. So x is 3, y is -5 would be right here. And then after that, we would connect the dots. And everything in between there would be the solution of y equals -2x plus 1. Two special cases for lines. One is horizontal lines are lines that are just flat. They're horizontal. Those are ones that have slope of 0. So any 2 points on a horizontal line will have the same y values. So this means that equations of horizontal lines are always going to be the form of y equal to whatever the y value is. So for instance, the one at the top there, all of them have y value of 3. So the equation would be y equals 3. The next one down would have an equation of y equals 2. The next one would have the equation y equals 1, and so on. Vertical lines all have the same x value. So this would be in terms, the equation will be in the terms of just x equal to whatever the x value is. So this one on the left, that's x equal to -3. This one here in the middle is at x equal to 0. The one on the far right is x equal to +3. So keeping that in mind, let's write equations of the lines that form the 4 sides of this rectangle. The very top is a horizontal line. So that'd be y equal to, looks like the y value is 3. The bottom is at y equal to -1. The left is vertical. That's basically x equal to -2. And the right is vertical. Looks like x equal to 1. So these are the equations of the 4 sides of this rectangle.